already, you've paid for it, it's not come free. So it's just really a very good feeling. I recently told them that I had bought their, I don't know what the version, Mini Evo, yeah. The Mini Evo version, which is actually a hybrid of digital and analog. You can choose the pictures that you print. It's a really incredible camera. I love, when I travel, I love taking it along. I love also sometimes taking it on shoot. Yeah, we all go back to our phone and take a lot of pictures, but the ones that I take from that camera, I keep them in like a nice box, which I kind of treasure. It's like a memory treasure. And you can sort of tomorrow make like a scrapbook out of it. So that's what I do, and I've already owned it before I got associated with the brand. So yeah, I think all their products are amazing, and this one especially, I love the colors. I think all the colors are so vibrant and so fresh and so youth-friendly. I feel like you would love to just own it, like take a picture with the camera because the camera looks so good.
All right, moving to the next question. Hi Kriti, Kavya from Entrepreneur. My question to you is, well, we are seeing you become quite a business person beyond your films as well. From your cosmetic line being so successful to now being a brand ambassador, I wanted to understand as an actor how important do you consider these endorsements and what is the work that goes behind before you associate your name to a brand?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, I feel with any brand that you associate with, I think the first and most important thing that I look for is the brand value, what it stands for, what is the purpose, the quality, of the products, and that's very important. Of course, when you associate with a brand like Fujifilm, which I've grown up with this brand around me, and it's just a privilege to be associated with a brand that stands for so much quality and just like amazing variety of work that they've been doing actually, with the innovation that they come up with, staying connected to the youth as well. So that for me is very important. I think for an actor, when I associate with a brand, I do understand that people sort of get influenced by what I say. So for me, it's important to associate with a brand that I really believe in, truly, and this is definitely one of those.
Thank you so much. A question for the managing director as well. So, as you said, right now the product is launched in US, India and China. I wanted to understand what else are you offering the Indian market now? Obviously, having a brand ambassador on board is great, but what is the future plans?
Yes, product-wise, it's almost similar to worldwide market, but India is one of the most important market from our headquarters. So that's why, as a marketing activity, like with Miss Kitty, so we will have a very aggressive marketing activity. So to let all Indian customers be happy.
Thank you. Can we have the next question, please?
Hi, my name is Lakshay Kumar. I'm from India today. My question, I have two questions actually for the management. One for Arun sir. First of all, congratulations on the fantastic launch. Thank you. Really excited to try out the new products. But primarily, I just wanted to know how is the Mini SE different from the Mini 12 or the ones that came before that?
So, Mini SE becomes our entry segment model, and predominantly this model will be available in offline retail stores and national retail stores or regional chain stores. Mini 12 is an upper version than the Mini SE. So previously we had Mini 9, the entry segment. Now Mini 9 is discontinued. Now this becomes a latest entry model with different variety of features. So this will become one of the highest contributing models for us in the offline channel.
And Wadasan, one for you as well. You mentioned that this product is launched in just 3 countries across the world. Then why not make it a global launch? Since this is an important entry-level product, why not introduce it to more countries, to more people, help the product grow?
So to answer to this, maybe let me rephrase it. This product will be available in only these 3 countries. It won't be available in other countries. That's the message out here. This is a special model which is made for US, China and India only. And rest, other countries, it depends on the management's call. But at present, it is only for these 3 countries.
Thank you.
have any more questions?
Yeah, hi. Myself Poonam. We are a media and PR and upcoming production house called Bollywood Themes. So basically we just recently started making a music album and we were like struggling for camera. Camera is very expensive, you know, very very expensive. We understood the importance of camera because camera has a lot of type of variants with the many lenses. You know, it has a many lenses. So I want to know like what is the storage capacity of this camera? Like it is just for use or one time or regular 100 times you can use, how it is?
So you can use it as many times you want. Only thing is that there's a cartridge film which comes inside the camera. Like you have to, you get it in a package. So that consists of 10 films. Once that 10 film is consumed, you will get an indicator that films are over. You have to put another 10 back. So that's this all about. But when it comes to your kind of work you're doing, we have a different category where we deal with cameras. So you can meet me separately. I can suggest you some cameras which is affordable and will definitely.
And what would be the price of this camera?
This particular camera?
Yeah. I mean, if I want to buy, I can buy any stores.
I have shared the price. Like two models are coming. One is with the 10-pack film and one is with the 40-pack film.
Okay.
Right? And then 74999 and 9999 is the price of the camera, which is the maximum retail price. Of course, there will be some special discounts when you go to shop friends and all. Once it is launched from 10th of July, it will be available in all the shops. So definitely use it.
Thank you. So much.
Thank you. Do we have any more questions? Please raise your hand if you have a question.
कृति जी, अगर इस कैमरे के साथ आपको एक दिन पापाराजी बनने का मौका मिले,
आपकी आवाज मुझे पहचान में आ गई, आप हैं कहाँ?
इस कैमरे के साथ अगर आपको एक दिन पापाराजी बनने का मौका मिले तो कौन से सेलिब्रिटी को ट्रैक करके आप उनकी फोटो क्लिक करना पसंद करेंगे?
मैं आपको फॉलो करूंगी। आप जहाँ जा रहे हो, आप जिस सैलून से निकल रहे हो, आप कहीं जिम जा रहे हो, अगर जाते हो, आप जहाँ से निकलने जाते हो, घर के बाहर तो जाते हो इवेंट पे जाते हो, तो वो इवेंट पे आते हुए मैं आपकी स्पॉटिंग डालूंगी।
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Do we have any more questions?
Shall we wrap it?
Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ms. Kriti. Thank you, Varasan. Thank you, Arun-san. Thank you so much. And thank you to all our media friends. I request all of you to have a look at the product display area and enjoy a cup of tea before you leave. The leadership and corporate communications team is around here for any clarifications, discussions about the product that you would have missed in the Q&A session. A very good day ahead to all of you and thank you so much.